what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan and this is my crew. We're gonna teach you a new song today. It's called Throw Feet by London on the Track. So let's get started. Okay guys, let's start. So it goes like this. First you're gonna open your legs facing front. So you're gonna go to your right. 1, then none. Again, 6, 7, and grab. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes 1, none, 3, and 4. Very good. This is 5. Got it? Again, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, and goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. From here, you're gonna push your right knee to the front, and 6, just straight, 7, drop on 8. So when you look at on this side, it look like this, 7 and 8. All right, that's right. 5, 6, 7, 8 goes 1, 2, 3, and very good. 5 and 6. Straight 7, drop on 8. Good job. Next, on the second 8, you're gonna 1, 2, hold your cup. 3, 4, 5. Go on 6, grab 7, going back 8, 1, close on 2. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, grab 7, 8, 1, and a 2. Alright, and then on 2, you're gonna go 3, 4. From here, step your left, cross 6, grab 7, pose on 8. Let's try that part. 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, grab 7, and 8. Good job. Alright, we end up on here. So the next step, you're gonna open it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5, 6, 7, and go up on 8. Let's try again, super slow. 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Alright guys, let's start from the beginning. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7. Yo! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye!